Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2012 Toyota Sienna LE. And as you can see, I can use the key fob, I can use it to open the door here. And I can hit the button again and I can deploy the ramp. Very easy to do. It also kneels down a little bit. You can enter inside the van. 30-inch wide ramp. It's got this carbon fiber floor, very easy to keep clean. It's got the tie down points. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. Back seat looks about brand new. Looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. These front seats are removable. You can remove one or both. You could always get a power chair back here. You could remove the front seat, put another power wheelchair up there. Another thing you can do, if that passenger seat scooted all the way up and the driver's seat scooted all the way back, you know, I'm not a real big guy, but I can squeeze between these seats. You could potentially enter into the driver's seat and drive. So transfer out of your chair, enter into the driver's seat. That's an option you can always do if you're someone that wants to get your independence, but also still have your power chair. So another option there. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel controls, help you keep your eyes on the road. Dual climate control. You can see it has rear air. Has a little backup camera up there. It's got the rear air controls back here as well if your passengers can reach those. You can see this headliner is in excellent condition. Very clean. So once you're inside the van, or once you come over, and you can also use the key fob. Hold it here. And the door will slide shut and you're ready to roll. So you can do all that from inside the van, or of course outside the van if you want to when you're exiting the van. What I'll do now is I'm going to do a walk around of the van. It's a very clean van, been very well taken care of. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. All these tires are in good condition. They're certainly not brand new, but there's some significant tread left on them. I see a few small, little rock chips. That's to be expected on a vehicle that's 7, almost 8 years old. But as you can see, this is a very clean van. By the pictures and videos, no major scratches or dents in it. Very well kept up. This van's cleaner than a lot of 2017s and 18s that I see. You can also see that it has the tinted windows that'll keep you nice and cool in the summertime, give you privacy year-round. This paint, gold shines very bright, still very sharp. Got the roof rack in case you want to do any additional traveling. In the back here you can see we've got the spare tire. Both these seats will fold down in case you want to do any traveling. You can put a little extra stuff back here. It's got a very clean, odor-free interior. We just had this van professionally detailed. Very clean seats. It does come with the Freedom Motors. This is a Freedom Motors conversion. Comes with the Freedom Motors manual there. On the driver's side, much of the same. It's got the power driver's seat. It all works fine. We also like to show you the VIN number, just so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. We keep these vans covered in plastic in case one of our mechanics jumps in here to move it. He doesn't get his greasy bottom on the seat there. I hope you can see we're doing our best to keep these vans as clean as possible. Comes with one fob for the Toyota, one fob for the conversion, and one key. If you want us to order any more at your cost, we certainly can. The key and fob are generally $199 for Toyota. Let us know what else you might want and we can make sure we get it for you. Current mile 73,411, so very low miles. Let's pop the hood so you can hear it run, but also no dummy lights on, no check engine light, nothing like that. The TPMS gauge for the tire pressure's flashing. We've got a little part ordered to hopefully fix that. That's not something I generally worry about too much. I know these tires are inflated properly. It also does have the backup camera, which is a nice safety feature to have. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Before I pop the hood, I want to show you we've checked all the power mirrors, power windows. Everything on this van seems to work the way it should. Air conditioning, radio, heater, all that good stuff. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, the engine idles smoothly. It's got a Toyota V6 engine in it. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, very clean. We check all of our vehicles prior to purchase for any damage. We have 3 mechanics look over the vans before they go out. You can see this van's very clean. You know, folks, I don't care who you buy from, if you're going to buy sight unseen, or if you're not able to get down on the ground like this, make sure you have them make a video. Whoever you're buying from, make a video for you. You can hide a lot in pictures, so know who you're buying from. Not every deal is as good as it seems. There's a lot of shysters out there. Unfortunately, know who you're buying from. When you buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions, we've been in business over 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you can see by our videos we are trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can about these vans. Let's get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway and give them a test drive. So whether you come pick this van up and drive it home, or whether we ship it out to you using our free shipping, you know this van is roadworthy, that we've road tested it, that we've serviced, that we've maintenance, that we've gone over it. At about 67 miles an hour there. We have a police officer up there, so I'm gonna back it down. It's just a 60 through here, but you can see I've got the cruise control set. The steering wheel is very sturdy. It's not bouncing back and forth. The van tracks real nice down the highway. And folks, I want you to keep in mind, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Whether you're buying from a dealer or an individual, do they have a great reputation? You need to look into these things. Do they have an A+ rating? Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews? So again, whether it's a dealer or it's an individual, we have a great track record. We have 500 people on eBay that said we did them right. We have 0 people that said we did them wrong. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Be sure to ask them. We give you a free temporary tag. We don't have any hidden fees. That's not the way I do business. Do they have free shipping? Will they ship this van to your door at no charge in the lower 48 states? Because we do. I own a shipping brokerage. I can get this van shipped affordably. Talk to us if you have any questions. And lastly, do they get out and make a video so you can see exactly what you're getting? Because obviously we do. You're watching it right now. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. That was a little tool that we had in here sliding. That wasn't anything with the van, so it brakes very solid. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual vibration in the front end. So is this a brand new van? Of course not. Is it darn near brand new condition? It seems like it. It's a very nice van, very well taken care of. Toyota should last you for years to come as long as it's taken care of. So my point when I was comparing us to the competition, whether you're buying from an individual or dealership, when it comes to price, when it comes to the free shipping, when it comes to our reputation, and when it comes to us making a video, because we want you to know exactly what you get. Nobody can compete with us. We have financing available for this van. We can take an application over the phone and turn it in and see if we can help you. But if you ever want to come see one of our vans, please always give us a call first. I know your time is valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. I definitely don't want to miss you. And if you ever want to see our inventory 24 hours a day, check us out. www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We have inventory in Wichita, Kansas, and Dallas, Texas. And if you ever want to see the van before you buy, we can always put it on a trailer, bring it out to you, let you look at it. I can't work for free, but we can work for affordable. So call us. I'm the owner. I'm Jeremiah. Give me a call. See what we can work out. See how we can help you. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.